Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to do the new air variant for dismantle and the tutorial for the world cutting slash and then the aerial world cutting slash because there is now a new update for Mahito's head splitter, but I cannot show you that because I do not have the early access game pass. But if you can you give me some? My username is I survived the creator. Please donate some to me. Okay, so here what you have to do the new dismantle variant there, and here there boom. It's like the world cutting slash but weaker. Okay, so to do the world cutting slash the normal version, yeah, all you have to do is press 1-3 really fast and that you did the first stage of that. You did the first step and then press 1-3. After that, after you press 1-3, you need to press 2. Okay. After pressing 1-3 and then 2, you need to press R or the special button or special the what is this, the star button on mobile. And here 1-3 2 R there. But it's very cancelable since look at this. It's very cancelable. As if you try this. What the sigma am I doing? It's very cancelable. It's very cancel. Wait, how? Why am I proving a point here? See, it's very cancelable, but you can be unhittable now. They now buffed it by making you unhittable when you jump. Okay. To do the air variant, you have to do dismantle, and before you do the attack of dismantle, you have to press 3 and then 2 and then do the combination. So it also won't work if you just do it when you jump. So like, oh wait, it actually, what the sigma? I actually thought it won't. Okay, so when you're when you're when you're floating from the dismantle variant, when you're floating and before you do the attack, you must press 3 and then 2 and then R. Shing! And yo, why is he not dead? Shing. We do not talk about that. We do not talk about that. We do not talk about that. Okay, so and that's it for the video. And please like and subscribe. I need 50 subscribers right now. If you don't like and subscribe, I will teleport into your house and collect all of your 50 left toenails of your pinky toe and all of your right thumb toe. Okay, so I want you to like and subscribe.